Let's display about AZ400 silver. Okay, this is the AZ400. Okay, yeah, see, sorry. Yeah, see guys, this is the AZ400. Now, in the AZ400, it comes under what? Azure Cloud Computing is the basics, and the third module app services. You know, right? Application can be automated and deploy into Azure Cloud App Services or on-premises virtual machine. What is that? On-premises virtual machine. Okay, yeah. Next, this is about what? DevOps. In DevOps, we have total 5 modules: Azure Boards, Repos, Pipeline, Artifacts, and Test Plan. Okay, next. This is the module 5. Okay, CI/CD pipeline. Okay, how we can initiate the CI/CD pipeline in module 5. In module 6 is SCM, source code management. Okay, how we can declare the source code management. Okay, module 7 GitHub. Okay, so what is the GitHub? How we can maintain the source code? That all we'll discuss it in GitHub. Module 8 continuous integration. Okay, continuous integration means build pipeline. Continuous delivery in the sense our deployment is what? Release the pipeline and host the application into Azure Cloud. Okay, yeah. Next, module 10 is the release management. Okay, here release management in the sense after what is that? Deploying the application. Okay, how we can maintain that application, how we can monitor that all what release management. So apart from that, we will discuss about agile methodology here. What is the agile? Do you know? Anyone? Anyone? What is the agile methodology? Guys, what is the agile methodology? It's a what? It's a software development life cycle. Now, total projects they are deploying what? Agile model only, guys. Total, it is deployed on Azure Agile model only. So every day we will have Scrum calls, and you have to update what you did today, what you are going to do next 8 hours. Okay, that all should be updated in Agile. Okay, after Agile came to the picture, the way of development project totally has been changed. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the AKS fundamentals. Okay, so what is the AKS? How we can define the AKS? That we'll see module 13. Okay, module 15 and 16 is monitoring. Okay, how we can design the monitoring, how we can deploy the module 15. Okay, next, this is the Docker. Do you know how we can install the Docker on Windows machine? How can you install Docker on Linux machine? That all both will cover it in module 18. Okay, module 19 is the Kubernetes, guys. Actually, you know, right? In market, there are 3 types of Kubernetes. Actually, Kubernetes was introduced by Google, guys. First Kubernetes introduced by Google. Okay, I can say Kubernetes. Also, we can call it as K8s. Okay, so now Google made it as a open source. Later, they made it as open source. Okay, next, by taking those files, Microsoft came up with AKS. Okay, Microsoft came up with AKS. Second one, AWS KE. Yeah, what is that? Amazon Web Services Kubernetes Engine. Okay, third one, GKE, guys. Google Kubernetes Engine. Okay, you can go and verify. Go to Job Copilot. alternative of AKS. Okay, yeah, see guys, this is about what GKE. GKE means Google Kubernetes Engine. Okay, Amazon Web Services, uh, Amazon Web Services. Okay, Amazon Web Services, KE guys, Kubernetes Engine. I will go to ChatGPT, copy and paste it. And GKE. Yeah. Okay, see guys, this is the one. Okay, top three cloud vendors in the market is Azure, AWS, Google. Okay, so this is the one, guys. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes, EKS. We can give it EKS. Okay, so I'm EK means Elastic KS Kubernetes services. Okay, so if you are looking for alternative of Azure Kubernetes services and what is that? Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE. So other alternative is what? AWS KS, EKS. Okay, so AWS EKS we will call it as AWS EKS. AWS means Azure, sorry, Amazon Web Services, Elastic Kubernetes Services. Okay, so out of these three, very popular in the market is Azure Kubernetes Services. That is what I want to mention. Okay, like Azure Kubernetes Services. Okay, Microsoft has their own, what is that? Uh, their own container services that we will call it as ACR. ACR means Azure Container Registry. Okay, generally Docker, we have hub.docker.com. That is for public. Even though private is there, but ACR totally we can use it as public and private as well. Azure Container Registry, that is for Docker. Okay, yeah, next. So 20th one is Terraform, guys. This is the Terraform. What is the Terraform? How we can create the Terraform template? How to deploy these Terraform templates? That all we'll see module. Okay, so this is about what is the 400 services, guys. If you have any questions, feel free and ask.
Yeah, hi Shekhar. Rahul this side.
Yes.
So, the course content, you have explained us. Just one question. This could be a very I should have asked this question by the end of the session, but I'm asking right now. See, by end of this course, uh, I'm currently working for Wipro actually, and we are working on Linux servers which are hosted on Azure platform. So Azure admin course is something, it will be surely helpful, but after completion of this course, can we expect that we will be getting experience up to 2 to 3 years on AWS DevOps and Azure admin?
Uh, AWS DevOps. It's not AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps.
Yeah, sorry,
Yeah.
Azure DevOps, sorry,
Yes.
got.
Certainly. Already you had part of, Azure administration. Currently you are working on Azure only.
Like we have servers hosted on it. We don't use all the services. So for that reason, we are like your course will also help us to understand other services. So in that aspect, we are planning to
Yes.
learn.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
So that.
yeah,
Yeah.
by end of the course, how much we can like a 2 to 3, we have
Yeah.
enrolled for DurgaSoft classes many times. Like I have learned Linux from here also. So like what we like after completion, I got the confidence of 4 years at least. Okay, so like from this course, what we can expect? Just
Yeah,
asking, like normal conversation.
yeah, you can put like around 5 years of experience on Azure after hearing this course and thoroughly practice it. Yeah.
Great, great. Thanks a lot. Okay. Please proceed. Sorry for the question.
Okay.
I'll ask
No problem.
more. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is about what? AZ 104 and 400. Next, how to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay, subscription for Azure free trial in the sense it's not a big challenge. You have to follow only 4 steps, guys. I will give you the hands up. You people try it out. Okay, yeah. Next, so what are the 4 steps? Is enter the your credentials, your information. Your information means first name, last name, email address, etc. etc. Okay, that is about your information. Okay, second one is enter your email address. Okay, that is in first step itself. Next step, enter the mobile number. Once you enter the mobile number, you will get 6-digit OTP. 6-digit OTP that you have to enter. Third one, enter the credit or debit card details. Credit or uh, debit card details. Okay, yeah. So after enter the credit or debit card details, you will be debited 2 rupees, guys. You will be debited 2 rupees. That amount will be credited back to your account within 10 minutes, max 10 minutes. Okay, so after uh, this third step is over, fifth step, agree terms and conditions. What is that? Agree terms and conditions. Clear? Okay, guys, these are the 4 steps you have to remember. So after subscribing for Azure free trial, you will get 16,700 for Indian currency. I hope no other countries people are there in this batch. Okay, so 16,700 free credits you will get that you can consume it for 30 days, guys. After 30 days, your account will be deactivated automatically. You need not have to take care about anything. After 90 days, permanently Microsoft will delete it. So you may have query that why they are asking debit and credit card, just to verify whether you are genuine user or not. That's it, guys. Okay, so once free trial is over, you can go for pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. Okay, you can go for what? Pay as you go model. Next. Now, to subscribe for Azure free trial, just directly you can go back. What is that? Azure.microsoft.com. What is that? Azure.microsoft.com. This is the official site, guys. Okay, this is the official site. I am pinging in the chat. You can also keep it in sound. Okay, see, what is the Azure? Build and modernize apps and create cutting edge AI solution using tools you love on Azure. Okay, get started with now pay as you go pricing or try Azure free trial for 30 days. Azure free trial what? For 30 days. Okay, yeah. Next, first thing you can have what is that? Wonderful features here. So scroll down here. See, scroll down. Here we will have entire information. If I go for what is the Azure? What is the Azure? Azure is a cloud platform. It's supporting more than 200 more than 200 products. The cloud service is designed to help you to bring new solution to the life. Okay, to solve ready challenges, create the feature, build, run, manage your application across multiple cloud on-premises and get edge this tool framework of your choice. Okay, so as I said here, it is showing see 90 plus complaints. It's certified, guys. Compliance offering the largest portfolio in the industry. Even AWS also it's not certified that much. What is that? 90 plus complaints. So 95% of Fortune 500 companies they are using Microsoft Azure. So investment US dollars per year security to protect customer data from cyber threats. Yearly Microsoft spending $1 billion for security itself. You know, right? Microsoft nowadays they are encrypting networking also, guys. You might have heard about it. Data is encrypted. Even Microsoft now encrypting networking as well. So it is very, 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 very secure. You need not have to worry about security. So as I said, this point is golden point, guys. Golden points means no other company is there in the world to certify 90 plus compliance offering. This is the largest portfolio in entire world industry, IT industry. Okay, so this is about trust of your complaint. So Microsoft imposed a lot of complaints. So your data can be accessed as per compliance policies. Okay, so this is the power of Microsoft Azure. To subscribe for Azure free trial, it's not a big challenge, as I said. Directly, you can click on what? Okay, directly click on try Azure for free. See, build the cloud with Azure free account. Okay, build the cloud Azure free account. Start free. So I will share the documentation. It's not a big challenge. You should have your email account. Okay, here you need to pass your email account. That is Gmail or Outlook or Reddit, whatever the email you want, you can use it. So my suggestion, better to have one Outlook account. Why? Because now most of the products Microsoft is asking Outlook account instead of Gmail and all. Okay, you can have one Outlook account that is also very popular. Okay, yeah. Next, now have a look. I will present one PPT. I will share that as well. Yeah. So they are straightforward step. After enter the what is that your details. Okay. See. So these are the four steps. About you, verification by mobile, your debit card, credit card, agreement. Okay, now this is the one, guys. Here you have to enter the your address details. Next, you will get one OTP. After enter the mobile number, you will get one OTP. Okay, that OTP should be registered. Okay, I have entered my OTP. Now, once it is done, go to what? This is the card number which I have passed, credit card details. Okay, after passing the credit card details, agree terms and conditions. These are what? Agree terms and conditions. The moment when you agree terms and conditions, it will display what is that? 16,800 credits. We can call them as credits. I am sharing this account PPT, you can follow same steps. Okay, it's not a rocket science. We people try it out. How we people subscribing for Gmail, Outlook, and all that. It is same process. Okay, I am providing the URL. You can use same URL. So this is the URL, guys. Start free. Uh, Click and paste. Yeah, copy and paste. So this is the account. After you have subscribed for Azure free trial, you people can go ahead and access the URL. What is the URL? Portal.azure.com. Is that portal.azure.com? Okay, let me paste it here. This is the URL. Now I am entering my credentials. I am using license. Hit enter. Yes. Okay, so you will get one verification for your email account. I am entering my email account. Okay, you will get the code. Okay, so this is the Azure portal. This is how we can access it, guys. Okay, now instead of that, directly you can access portal.azure.com. The moment when you subscribe for Azure free trial, this is how Azure portal you can access it. Okay, yeah, first thing we have to discuss about this option. So this we will call it as blade. This we will call it as blade. Okay, next, this is what cloud shell, guys. Cloud shell. Okay, this is what notifications. What is that? Notifications. Okay, this is what settings. What is that? Settings. Okay, this is your profile. I can say your profile. You people can, what is that? Update your image, whatever you want, you can do that here. Okay, let it be. First, I am going to, what is that? Discuss about settings. When I click on settings, see, this is the appearance. This is the layout. See, have you observed there is a one arrow mark is coming? So if you want to disable this blade feature, just to choose flyout applied. That's it. Now see guys, every time you have to go on, click on here to get the blade. If you want to make it permanently, click on docked. If you want to apply any themes like dark color and all, apply it. See entire portal, you can change it. Okay, yeah. Next, another thing is go to startup. I am going back to Azure. Okay, now expanded. You can apply it. Okay, you can apply it. See. Okay, when I click on any services storage account and all, okay, by default you will get this info. Clear? Yeah. Next, go to settings. Click on startups. You can collapse it, apply, and this is what menu behavior. Okay. Next, language. See, guys, by default, our Azure portal displaying in English. If you want to display it in Chinese language, yes, apply it. Now enter portal, it will display in Chinese language. So each and every service it will display in English language. Sorry, Chinese language. Clear? See? Okay, guys. This is the Chinese language. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now change it back. Go to language. Here you can go for what? English. So like it is supporting Japan, Korea. Okay, Japan, Korea language, uh, Arabian language. Okay, different countries, Germany language, etc. European language, Netherlands, Dutch languages, Spanish, everything it is supporting. Okay, so this is how small settings that you can do that. Main thing is how we can deploy these services. Okay, here deploy the services in a sense. See, we can say first thing is subscription. What is the subscription, guys? As I said, it's a license. What is the subscription? It is a license. Okay, so here subscription in the sense, first we will create the resource group. What is that resource group? What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Collection of resources. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Clear? Nice. Okay, here resource group in the sense, I can say it is the folder, guys. Okay, in lab tab, we'll create the folders, right? Like movies one folder, videos one folder, images one folder, resumes one folder, personal content one folder, PPTs one folder. What does that mean? If I go and click on movies, all movies I can segregate it. Okay, like videos. Okay, other thing is documentation. Same way, here I can create one group like Java project. Okay, Java even RG represents resource group, and a Java related project, servers, storage, network, database, subnets, load balancer, application gateway, databases related, all the services I can host it under one resource group. So tomorrow maintenance is easy. Like, oh, this resource group, I got $1,000. Okay, maybe next month it will get increased like $2,000. So we can manage the cost, we can manage the resources by creating this is the group. Okay, very simple resource group. The name is representing uh, collection of resources grouped together. What is the advantage? One thing is maintenance is easy. We can control the cost of the project. We can verify always billing details on them. That is the advantage. So already now navigate to Azure portal. This is the Azure portal. So go to create one resource group. Already I have many resource group. Forget about it. How can you create it? Create new resource group. Okay, see guys, this is the subscription. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. Under this resource group, we have region. Okay, now assume that Java-RG, or else I will give you Microsoft name uh, .NET-RG. Okay, so where you would like to deploy? Assume that I have more customers in India. I can go and deploy it in South India, or else I can go and deploy it in West India. Okay, do you know in India, Microsoft has three data centers. One is Pune, Chennai, yeah, Chennai, Mumbai. Other one is what? Three. Okay, Pune, Chennai, Mumbai. Hyderabad also it is under construction. It will be live very soon. Okay, that is the in Asia, Asia, the first largest data center in India. First largest data center in India as well as in Asian region. Okay, yeah. Now let us go and deploy it in East US. Assume that I had more customers in East US, I will go and deploy it. Now go to next, hit on review plus create. Yeah, refresh. Okay, .NET-RG. So here if people can go ahead and create it. See, under this resource group, just go to click on create. See guys, here it is displaying list of categories. Whatever you want, we can proceed and create it. Okay. Yeah, now to deploy one services, okay, very simple. Go to whatever you want. For example, click on all services. There is a one option, all services. See guys, here first category, artificial intelligence. Very first category they have provided artificial intelligence. Analytics, compute, container, database, hybrid, identity, integration, migration, mixed reality, monitor, networking, security, storage, and web plus mobile. Okay, under each category we have a number of services. See Azure AI Studio. So this is the studio where we can develop what is that? AI related solutions, guys. You might have heard about it, Visual Studio. Did you hear about it, Visual Studio, guys? So Visual Studio latest version is 2022. It is used to develop the applications, projects. Okay, same way there is a Azure AI Studio. It is used to develop the what? Artificial intelligence projects. Okay, yeah. Next, here we have list of AI services, face API, matrix, speech services. Many things are there. This is the analytics. Okay, and each and every category, we have variety of our various types of services. So based on your business requirement, we can proceed and provision these services. Okay, yeah. So for example, I want to create one machine learning, one service. Okay, so what is the machine learning? See, what is the machine learning, guys? Very simple. Microsoft providing pre-built machine learning models. Using them, we can host and consume these services for your application. Okay, what is the machine learning? Machine learning is a one service or part of AI. Using that, we can develop, deploy the models in Azure. Is called machine learning. Okay, see guys, here it is giving description. Okay, machine learning are where you can manage all the models, assets, and data related your machine learning projects. Okay, here they have provided very good documentation. We can explore it. Okay, now let us go and create one machine learning. Okay, now create it. See, create. So see, what is the subscription again? Resource group. Under which resource group I would like to deploy .NET. Then here we need to pass all these details. For example, my ML. I am providing my ML. Where you would like to deploy? East US. Okay. So each required storage account, keyword services, they are security. Okay. Where your data has to go and store it. That is the information. So these are the additional different topics. Just I would want to show you how to deploy one service under this resource group. Okay, yeah, next click on networking. As you said, there are two types of network guys in the market. What are they? One is public, other one is private, other one is private. The service can be accessible for public or within the network. See, I am deploying this service as a public. Now encryption. See, I'm not going to do any encryption at this moment. By default, I am taking managed identity, system assigned identity. Okay, means system itself it generate the token and validate against of what is that, the services. Okay, next tags. What is the tags? This is important. What is the tags? Tags are name value pairs which will give the information about resource. Name value pair which will give the information about resource. Okay, for example, if you go for Reliance DMart, okay, Reliance Digital Store, or Reliance any cloth showroom, then uh, every item it contain one tag. What it represents? Like product name, okay. Next brand name. Next price name, price details. Okay. Next date of manufacturing. By look at this information, we'll come to know that about total about what that product, okay, or that cloth or shirt or pant, whatever it is. Same way here tags and name value pairs which will give the information about resource. Okay, I can go project. Okay, project, what is the project? I can say .NET. Okay, next owner. Who is the owner guys? PwC is the owner. Next email ID. I can say Mike at the rate of PwC. Environment. Okay, what is this environment? This is production. See, tomorrow, if someone come to and look at this, they can easily identify. Now hit on replace created. See, it is giving nice information. Okay, it is giving nice information and formatted, and it is formatted very nicely. Now, this is the basic details, network details, encryption details, identity details, and tags. That's it. Okay, if you are happy with all these settings, and go ahead and provision it. See, now I am deploying this machine learning one services. As he said, what is the Azure? Azure is supporting 200 plus products and variety of services and various types of services related to various of products. Okay, so based on your requirement, we will go on proceed and deploy it. Okay, guys, this has been created successfully. Okay, so this is how we can first and go to particular services, how we can access it. See, this is the studio web URL. Directly copy, open another tab, paste it. See, ml.azure.com. ml.azure.com in a sense, machineLearning.azure.com, short form. See, under these things, we have these many features. Okay, where how we can create our own workflow, your data, push the data, integrate with your data. The data is stored in your on premises and all, and integrate this ml, and it will analyze the data and predict the model and classification the data, everything that you can do that. This is about mission. Okay, just I deployed the services. We'll discuss about more this service in next session. So today we had discussed how to subscribe for Azure Free Trial, syllabus relevant to AZ104 and AZ400, and how we can create resource group, underlying that how we can deploy one application. That's it. Okay. Yeah, practice it. Try to subscribe for Azure Free Trial. Tomorrow we'll discuss about how to explain about this service. Then we'll see how to deploy one virtual machine. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, one last question. Like by end of this course, are we going to do any projects, or understanding the services are enough for Azure course?
Yeah, project anyhow, the deployment through DevOps and all, that is
Mhm.
project oriented only.
Okay. 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 Great, sir. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Any more questions? Yeah, great. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow you'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Tomorrow session is there or not? Institute people will let you know that. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye. Good day.